In case you don't know that you can actually use InShot to design a thumbnail, this video is going to walk you step by step on how to actually use InShot to design a YouTube thumbnail. And it is actually professional, and the good part is that it is also completely free. So I've actually used the free version to actually design this particular thumbnail. So I'll be walking you step by step how you can also design something like this completely for free using your phone. So first of all, you need to have the InShot app. So for me, I'm already having the InShot app, so I'll just open it. And if you don't actually have the app, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and just type InShot in the search bar. You're going to get the app and you click on download. And after that, you open the app. And if you open the app first, this is the interface that you are going to actually see. And if you see interface like this, what you need to click on is just click on where we are having photo. Just click on where we are having photo. So if you click on where we are having photo, for your own it is going to be empty here. From your own it is going to be empty because you have not actually done any project. But for me, I've already done some project. That's why you are actually seeing all these things. So I just want to clear all these particular project that I've actually done on this particular app, so that the interface will also look the same as your own. So let me actually clear everything before, and we can continue designing. So I just want to clear everything so that we can start designing. So actually, if you are starting out, it is going to pop like this, and you click on the photo icon. And when you click on it, it is going to load like this. For me, I'm already having some project here, but your own, all this place too is going to be empty. So I bet I will be showing you how to actually import image so that it can come here and you now use it to design your thumbnail. So first of all, you need to click on where we are having the plus icon. Where we are actually having the plus icon, you click on where we are having the plus icon, and when you click on it, it is going to actually open your folder, and you're going to see your pictures and other things. You're going to see a lot of things here, your pictures and all the like the images that you're having on your phone. You're going to get access to it, and you just select the image that you want to use as thumbnail. So make sure if you are going to use one, make sure you know where the picture is actually located on in your phone. So you just go and select that particular image. For me, I've already like selected this one. I'll just select this one as example. So if I select it, I'll click on where we are having done. So I'll click on done, and if I click on done, you can see that particular image is actually here. So I will now click on that particular image, and if you click on the image like this, you will see that it is actually in portrait mode. Like the image is actually big. Like when you want to actually post it on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, you can use this particular frame. But we are going to be designing a YouTube thumbnail. That means we can't actually use this frame. So we need to go for this one that we are having 16:9. So we need to go for that one. So you click on that particular one, and you can see that the image has actually gone like, you can see that it has actually gone to that particular shape. But you reshape it, you just reshape the image, you just reshape it like this. And when you reshape it like this, sometime you see something like this. You can see that after I send the image, there is still like a shadow on that particular image. Where the image was, there is actually a shadow. If you see something of this kind, after you remove your picture background and you use it here, and you see something like this, just exit, just click and go back, just click and go back, discard it, and come and click on this particular where we are having the blank. So you click on where we are having the blank, and after you click on where we are having the blank, you click on where we are having canvas. And when you click on where we are having canvas, you're going to see the frames again. So you click 16:9, where we are having 16:9, and you click on the mark. So it is going to be like this, and you go to where we are having pip. You're going to see where we are having pip. You click on where we are having pip, and like all your images that you are actually import to InShot is going to be shown. So you select the image that you are actually like going to use for that particular thumbnail, and you can see the image has actually come to the flame. So you click on that particular arrow that is actually stretching both sides. So you click on it and stretch it, and when you stretch it, you can adjust it by pressing on the image and sending to a place where you want the image to actually stand. So you can actually adjust it to where you want it to stand. So for me, I just want the image to stand like this. Let me increase the size of the image by zooming it. Just click on it and expand it with 2 fingers, and after that I'll leave it like this and go back to where we are having text. And this is where I want you guys to actually pay key close attention here. I want you guys to pay key close attention here. This particular place is very important for your thumbnail to actually stand out. You need to actually work on this part well. So when you start typing, you click on the text icon and start typing design thumbnail. Let me just write design thumbnail. Design thumbnail. So you can see for free. For free. So you can see I've already like put that particular thing, but you can see that it is actually overlapping on the image. So you click on the stretch arrow and you zoom it in, and you can send it to any place that you want by using 2 fingers. So I've actually like expanded like this, and you can see as I expand it, like the text actually fits. You can send the text to where you want it to go by just using your one hand to press on the text and move it to the place that you actually want it. So after that you can click it on it. If you don't want the color that like they actually use it, you can click on the image again and click on the edit tool. And after you click on the edit tool, you're going to see colors where we are having like rainbow colors also. You click on that particular one and a lot of colors are going to actually appear here, and you can actually see text, border, shadow, grow, level, opacity. So text is where, like, if you want the text to change, you click on it and you can see as I'm changing, the text is actually changing. Border is the border of the text. So if you also click, you can see the border of the text is actually changing. But most of the time I don't actually use this one, or you can just send the opacity to 0 by dragging where we are having 0 and 100. You can just send it at the left hand side and send it to 0, or right hand side and send it to 100. And after that you click on where we are having level is actually very important in some case. Sometimes you want like the text to have level, you can actually just click on level and just select the text that you want, like the color that you want the text to be highlighted with. So this one I can just select any text, like any color. You can see as I'm actually selecting different colors, it is actually highlighting it for me. I think I like this one. I'll leave it like this, and you can see that this one is actually looking great. And I can now click on the export, and after clicking on export, it is actually going to be downloaded into my phone, and I can go to my phone files and check it. So let's go and check it. And you can actually see under images, this is the image that we just actually like design. This is the thumbnail that we just actually design. It is actually easy to actually design like a thumbnail on InShot. And if you have any challenges or you don't actually understand anything, just put it in the comment section and I'll be there to assist you. And if this video was actually helpful, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.